there, creatives. Welcome to the first episode of Oops, This House is a Mess. In case you're new here, my name is Queen Ika. This channel is all about getting creative. Today, we're going to begin renovating this beautiful house. So, I've been away for quite some time. And you guys have been there supporting me all through, and every time I release a video, you're always there to watch. So I really didn't want to leave you guys in the dark about what's been going on in my life. So basically, I haven't had such a good time this 2020, haven't we all anyway? On top of quarantine and all that, I've been having my own issues. I kind of fell ill, and I've been ill for about 6 months now. It has been really hard for me. Like, I have not been able to gather up strength to do a DIY, not because I have been low or anything. I just don't have strength. Yeah, so please make sure you watch till the end, because I'm really doing this for you guys. And because I love you guys. In my head, this series was to start 5 months ago. But here I am. And yeah, it's God's plan. So yeah, here we are doing Oops, This House is a Mess. Yes. So let's do this. Guys, thank you for joining me, and I hope you stick around. Also, please share this with your friends. So if you haven't followed me on this channel, if you're not subscribed, so just please hit the subscribe button right now, because you really don't want to miss the series. It's gonna be amazing. Yeah. And then secondly, follow me on Instagram, guys, at Ikadzi on Instagram. Follow me on Instagram because you need that. I'm gonna be posting, I'm gonna be doing a lot of IGTV, a lot of reels, and I don't want you guys to miss out on anything. Oh yeah, and plus I share a lot of my life on my stories. I mean, if you want to get to know Queen Ika better, follow me on Instagram. Yay! I recently moved to a new place, and as you well know, when you move to new places, it's basically just a piece of concrete, and it's just a house. Yeah, it's about time we make this house a home. We've stayed here for a few months, and I think it needs to be made better, honestly. And since you guys have been such amazing company, I want to make sure that I'm taking you through my journey. I've just started falling in love with beautiful spaces and everything, and as you well know, I love to do DIY. So we're gonna renovate this house on a budget, and yeah, it's gonna be fun. This is the bedroom edition. So in this edition, we're gonna pimp my bedroom, and the reason I have given it a whole, edition is because my bedroom is very special to me. Also, that's my quiet place and my beautiful place. Also, yeah, my room is kind of big. It has so my room has a bathroom and the main bedroom, where I put my bed, and then it has a supposed to be closet, which is supposed to be walk-in closet, which has not yet been done yet, but that's part of the things that we're gonna do now. I also have a lounge, which is not done yet, and I have an art room in my room. So we're gonna pimp. It's basically 4 rooms inside my bedroom, and yeah, so that's what this first edition is gonna be about. Yeah, so guys, I want to take you to my bedroom and show you how it looks. It's a mess. By the way, I'm single. At least I know nobody's gonna dump me after this video. So I'm single, and at least I'm single, so nobody's gonna dump me after this video. And by the way, future husband, this is my room is not a representation of what our bedroom will look like. Yeah, so yay! I'm about to take you guys to see my bedroom. Yeah, right now. I need you guys to see my bedroom, and then yay! And now we can start off on the first episode. So for this first episode, I don't know, I want to do an accent wall in my bedroom. So I've been thinking, and you know there's several ways you can do accent walls, which I'm gonna definitely educate you on in the next few minutes. So let's check out the bedroom. Unfortunately, I didn't get to do the DIY myself because I've been feeling unwell, as I told you earlier. However, like, I can explain to you the procedure because he explained to me. So what you're going to need is wallpaper and then an adhesive, and then you're going to need tools for applying the wallpaper that I'm going to put right here. So he continued doing that over and over until he was done with the whole wall. And basically, yeah, that was it. An accent wall is like a different wall, like a wall that's different from the rest of the walls in the room. In this video, we're going to talk about 3 ways you can do an accent wall in your own house. The reason I'm talking about this is because as I renovate my bedroom, I want you guys to also like renovate your space. Jump right into the 3 ways you can do an accent wall for your space. First things first, you can do paint. For paint, yeah, you can just paint a bold color. So I'm gonna put a couple of pictures of accent walls that I've seen that people have done. When you're doing paint, yeah, make sure you mix your paint well. So you're gonna either go to a hardware or like a store where you can consult and like just seek for advice on how to mix your paint. When you're painting, make sure you use a bold color. Like if you have white walls, you could do a black accent wall. You could do a yellow one. I mean, come on, you need to have fun, be creative, and also make your space like feel like more of you. The second way you can do an accent wall is that you can do a mural on the wall. Okay, so a mural is when you use your wall as a canvas, yeah? So that's when you have fun with your wall and like do little drawings. You can do drawings, you can do like, you know, you can use masking tape to like paint out little shapes, like little triangles, little stuff like that. So you can do that if you're like a really creative person. And I suggest you need to like be good at least like have like at least some slight artistic skills. Or if you don't, you can actually use some masking tape. I'll post some pictures which you actually don't need to use. You know, you actually don't need to have that much skill to execute, yeah? Third, the last one, yeah, but not least, that we're going to talk about in this video is the use of a wallpaper. So you can use a wallpaper to like spice up your wall. I mean, you know, like I love wallpapers in bedrooms especially, and you can use wallpapers in living rooms and you know, like dining rooms. I mean, yeah, just have fun with it. Another thing I'm thinking about wallpapers is like for your bedroom, make sure like it's a color that you love, a color that brings out you. Well guys, thank you for watching. I hope you loved this video. I hope you loved the first episode of Oops, This House is a Mess. Guys, stay tuned. Subscribe if you haven't. Follow me on my Instagram because you don't want to miss the great content that I will be putting out each and every week. You do not want to miss out on that. Yeah, so join me on my journey as we renovate my bedroom. So yeah, how'd you like my wall though? How'd you like my wall? I look good on it though. Check me out. I feel so hot against this wall, by the way. I like it. Let me know in the comments what you think about this wallpaper that I put. I think it was totally beautiful and I definitely love it. I can't wait to do more stuff in the bedroom, so please make sure you join me next week as we do another awesome DIY for this amazing bedroom.